You probably aren't aware of this, but recent medical findings are suggesting a brand new, extremely effective technique to rapidly lose weight and take control of your health. And it doesn't involve diet pills, personal training, cardio routines, prepackaged meal plans, or even calorie counting. So pay attention closely. If you've experienced 2 or more of the following symptoms in the past 30 days, this presentation might very well shock you: weight gain, bloating, heartburn, gas, stress, anxiety, or fatigue.